Welcome back. 6:46 this morning, and we have new data this morning on inflation. And here to break it down for us, financial expert Bruce Allen. Thank you for being with us this morning. This inflation number for April came in, pushed inflation year over year over 3%. You were saying it's actually higher than you expected. What is driving that increase?
If you look at gasoline prices, since the war started and the price of oil has risen dramatically, gasoline prices have risen. In the beginning of April, gasoline was priced at $4.06, had to look that up for a second. And at the end of April, because of crude continuing to rise, it had risen to $4.36. Gasoline prices are up substantially since the beginning of the war. They were below $3 when we started, before the war started.
And that's a huge jump. And we talk about CPI measuring kind of the more broad price trends across the country. And how has the war and this increase in oil and gas prices affected everything else?
If you look at January and February of this year, inflation was rising at an annual rate of 2.4%, less than 2.5%. We'd really come down dramatically. Since the war, inflation's stepping up. In March, we rose at 3.3%, and in April, the number that just came out now, instead of rising at the estimate was 3.7, it rose at 3.8. So we've gone from 2.4, less than 2.5, to over 3.5% in just 60 days because of the war.
And the gas prices seem to just kind of affect everything else because we need all that being transported everywhere.
Yes. So I think the other thing that's really important is that the impact of inflation stepping up like this has been incredibly negative for consumers. The average American is very worried because of inflation, and the prices rising have really hit the consumers. We saw that last week, 2 weeks ago, the Consumer Sentiment Index from the University of Michigan, which measures how do people feel about the economy, was at its worst level ever in the history of the survey. So people are really worried right now about inflation, prices rising, and the war.
And even more worried than we've seen in other tumultuous times in the market.
This is the lowest number, meaning the individuals that the University of Michigan measured were the most negative about the economy ever in the history of their survey, going back to 1978. There's been a few pretty negative times back to 1978.
It really tells you how people are feeling right now. Thank you for providing some context for us this morning, Bruce Allen. We appreciate you joining us.